In this video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix Mshtml.dll missing on your Windows 11. So let's get started. First is we have to check the system type of our Windows. So go to the Windows search bar and search for system information. Click on it under the best match. Take note of your system type and open a browser. Search for the missing DLL and just put download. Hit enter. Click on the first option. Scroll down and click the download button corresponding to your system type and wait for this to be downloaded. Once downloaded, click on the folder icon. Then right click on the folder, select extract all and click on extract. Copy the DLL file, right click and then copy. And go to this PC on the left pane, double click on the Windows C drive, scroll down to the Windows folder. Then locate the System32 folder. Right click and then select paste. Once done, close the remaining windows, then right-click at the Start button, shut down or sign out, and restart. Next method, open a browser again, and simply search for Visual C++ for distributable and hit Enter. Click on the first option. Scroll down and you have to click the download link corresponding to your system type and simply install the Visual C++ to your Windows 11. Once done, also update your Windows. Click on the Start button and go to Settings. From the list of options on the left pane, click on Windows Update and simply click the button from here, okay? So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Thank you for watching the video.